Morning.
Morning. Yeah, fine, thank you.
Watch the little drone, it's following me up the hill. That's it.
Should get out.
Whew.
Hang on, very soon.
Hello my friends, today I'm going out for a walk and I'm also testing out my new drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is filming me behind. It's a bit of a fiddly setup compared to the Neo, but I think it's worth it. So I'm just doing the active track mode now. I'm out with my dad's right up there in front of me, and we'll be climbing. If I go over here, you should be able to see it. I'll be climbing right up that hill. If I come down a bit, you might be able to see it. Yeah, that hill over yonder. Right, let's go back on the footpath. Right, so this drone came out on the 17th. They announced it at 1 PM and I went online an hour later and ordered it. And it came the next day. So because I've been at work, this is the first opportunity that I've had to actually get out of it properly. So looking forward to it. Whew. This is quite a hilly area. You've got the village of Cuxton to my right. You've got the hamlet of Ludsdown to my left, and Cobham Woods in front of me. Whew. I'm going to be huffing and puffing up here, I can tell you. Blimey. And then, if I get this drone to go to the right of me, you'll see over there. There it goes. So what we've got to do in a minute, walk up this hill, then down, and then up the other side. Whew. What are you doing now? I want you to come behind me. Right, go back round. That's it. Well done. Hey, is there a hole? Stuck down hole. There it goes, right behind me again. It's really clever how you can just change it. You can even have it going in front of you if you want. Let's do that. Just going to come round. Watch the hole. That's it. Oh, there it goes. And it's going to go in front of me and hopefully keep going backwards. Right, I'm not a fan of this though, because I don't like it flying backwards. Let's bring it back round. There it goes. Hey? Another hole. Oh, blimey. Oh yeah, there is, isn't there? Massive hole. Oh. So I've been stuck at work all week, and this is the first decent walk I've been on. So I'm not doing too bad. Oh, blimey. Right, I'm going to come back in a bit when we're at the top. Otherwise I'm going to sound like an out-of-breath pervert. Right, just that's one hill climbed. Now we've got to climb another one. And when we get to the top, we'll be at the highest point. So then I shall do some proper flying on the drone. Oh dear, there's quite a few people about today. Let me bring this round. Let me go back a little bit further away, and then bring it round to the right. That's it. Here it goes. It's very clever. It just stopped and said it's detected an obstacle.
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily pause flight to set direction.
Right. Okay. Cool. So bring it back around to the back. There it goes. Whew. This is quite a steep one, this one. Right. Let's get up it.